Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change for dy over dx. Next we multiply both sides by dx. Next, I will put about m equals to this one and n equals to this one. We have the x, that means we need to do first the derivative of m with respect to y. So we just have only this one and you got number 1. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. We have dy, that means we need to do first the derivative of n with respect to x. So we just have only this one. And we can see that they are same. So that is about exact. Now I will set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I select about this one. The integration of 2xy, that is about x squared y. The integration of this one, you got x to the power of 3 over 3. So number 9 divided by number 3, we have number 3. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we have number 1. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. And we know that this one equals to this one. So we simplify x squared for the both sides. Now we put the integration for the both sides. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. And now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So we put the value goal here to find the value of c. And this one, c equals to number 2. So we put number 2 goal here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.